Previously we did a demo video where we dropped this 8-ounce steel ball on the same tube into pieces of glass, regular 1/8 thick glass, and we tested this with a tempered screen protector which broke, and we also tested with the films. So in this case we have film over phone, and the reason why we're using a phone and an older phone is for the demonstration purposes, and you can see that the film is overlapping the phone here a little bit, but for the reason that newer phones today have all this super strong glass, or at least they say it is Gorilla Glass, which wasn't available back in the day. So we're putting a film on a weaker screen and seeing how well it does. So let's go ahead and drop it. Again, this is from 3 feet up. Bounced in there pretty good, but it did not break. And as you can see, no break. So as you can see, the films are legit. They hold their own. I'm actually going to do another one, another drop. It bounces, which tells you that because it's bouncing, that it's actually absorbing the hit versus tempered glass. Alright, so that being said, we're going to take the same phone with the same older screen, which did not have the stronger screens that you see nowadays, and with the film still on there, we're going to mark the X. X marks the spot, right? And all we're going to do is push that hammer right into it and see what happens. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was right on the power button. Let's bring it right there and do it again and see what happens. I'm going to pull it back a little bit so we get a little better smash. Even the hammer bounced, but there's the film, and not a single crack on the phone. Amazing.